problem set 2, group 6, Monica Murphy. So we're going to take a look at problem 7D. And it says, in a study to test the hypothesis that non-aspirin pain relievers are associated with liver damage, investigators identified 289 adults aged 18 to 64 who had been hospitalized with liver damage. 282 adults without liver damage have been chosen as controls that were also in the hospital. So this is an example of analytic epidemiology and a case control study with hospital-based population as case and controls. So again, a 2x2 table where cases and controls, cases being those who have liver damage and controls being those who do not have liver damage as the columns, and the rows being those who have taken non-aspirin pain relievers and those who have not taken aspirin pain relievers. So I went ahead and filled in the totals at the bottom that were given to us in the question, and from there went in to fill in the total of participants in the study, which is 571.